Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we're breaking down the latest in electric vehicles and sustainable technology. I'm your host, and today we're taking a look at Slate Auto, the EV startup backed by Jeff Bezos that's shaking up the industry with its affordable, customizable approach. Imagine an electric truck that costs around $25,000 with no traditional paint or power windows. But that's not just any ordinary vehicle. This is a blank slate designed to be stripped bare, allowing buyers to customize it to their needs and budget as they go along. The company's modular design means you can add or remove features at will, from tech upgrades to comfort and utility enhancements. Slate Auto's vision of personal, not premium, could represent a long overdue shift in how electric vehicles are imagined, built, and sold in the US. By focusing on affordability and accessibility, they're aiming to bring EVs to first-time buyers who have been priced out by traditional manufacturers. And it's working with over 400 employees and $111 million in funding. Slate Auto is scaling up for production in Indiana, ready to hit the market by 2026. But what sets Slate apart from other EV startups? For one, they've secured a strategic partnership with Mark Walter, CEO of Guggenheim Partners, who's guiding their early strategy through his existing manufacturing network. And with investments from Jeff Bezos and other high-profile backers, Slate Auto is well-positioned to disrupt the industry. As we look ahead, it's clear that Slate Auto is on the right track. By flipping the traditional model on its head and focusing on affordability, they're creating a new path forward for electric vehicles. And with their modular design and DIY learning hub, Slate University, they're giving owners the tools to customize their vehicle on their own terms. So what does this mean for the future of EVs? It's an exciting time, and companies like Slate Auto are leading the charge towards a more sustainable and accessible transportation system. From here on out, we'll be keeping a close eye on Slate Auto and other EV startups as they continue to shape the industry. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis from ElectroDrive News.